Just got off at the Sand Yacht MRT and we're heading this way. We're going to have a look around this area, see what we can find. Oh, that's a new cafe. Yeah, looks like it. What do you got there? Free coffees? 10 baht off. So yeah, I'll put it up on the screen where we are, and I'm going to have a look at Walking Street along the canal, see if we can find anything interesting. Doesn't matter where you go, you're always going to find some little street food areas. And this place has got a 5-star rating. So it must be good. Five-star, is it crispy chicken? There's a real mixture of stalls here. I can imagine some of these people being here for years and years. This is right on the edge or part of Chinatown. Oh, geez, look at the colour of that thing. So you're part of Chinatown, I think, so we're really close. There's all sorts here that you can get. You can spend hours walking down these alleyways and still not see everything. Looks like we're walking down here. What have we got? Lollies here. Some nuts. Yeah.
We've tried those, they were good.
Right next door to the boxes. Coming through.
Đều nhâm ở đây.
Yep, they've got everything. And here we are out on the little walking street. I know that you carry on through that way and it'll get you into Chinatown and the many stores in Chinatown. So this is the, I think it's the Ong Ang Canal. Oh, some of that food looks good. That's a mango smoothie, 50 baht. Look at the effort she's put into it. Thank you. Cup and carb.
It's stunning. It's beautiful.
Grandma made it, so it's got to be good. Well, that was a good mango smoothie. You got a whole passion fruit with it, a bit of watermelon, and I can't see the name of it, but it's under the pink building. So definitely worth a visit, that one. It makes it really nice along here with all the trees. Oh, that's a bit old. All the restaurants over the other side as well. It's got a little community feel about it. It's a cool old building. A couple of stories of the Indian restaurant there. Love how they just leave all the wiring sitting on the roof there, all the way along. In the shop there. What have we got here? That's good food there, and we just asked the lady, she's been there 40 years. 40 years.
40 years.
That's nuts. And she's lovely. And we've eaten there before, so we know it's good. That looks like an interesting little bridge. We've been down here a couple of times in the last 6 months, and I don't recall seeing that, so it must be reasonably new. It's good they've put something to cover these old buildings. Yeah, they've done a good job. There's a bit of an eyesore along there. This bridge looks interesting. Zoom in a bit. Oh yeah, this is definitely new. What's it made of? Feels like stone. Oh, this must be handy for the locals. Very cool. Here's a sign about it. SCG Bridge, Thai Innovation Crossing Ong Ang Canal. if you want to pause that and have a look. Not a lot of room along here. But we are catching the boat down there to get close to home, back to Saket. That's not a footpath. And then you end up. It's good, isn't it? I know there's a 7-Eleven here, so I'll grab a drink. I'm going to grab this boat, got a drink, so we're all good to go. Not sure how long we've got to wait before it takes off. Well, that was our little look at Ong Ang Walking Street and around that area. So yeah, we'll call it a day here. Just got off at the salt pier. So if you enjoyed this little look around a different area, then hit that like button, and still got Adelle behind me. And if you want to see some more, then hit that subscribe button. We'd really appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.